This is crazy. On September 25th, I'm doing what everybody needs to listen to. I'm going to do a workshop on how to be a trusted advisor. If you've been listening to me, you know I've been saying stop selling. Enough of the selling. People keep calling me and asking me, how do I overcome this objection? What do I do when? You know what? Stop selling. Because when you're selling, you're just a salesperson. Overcoming objections and closing. Real advisors don't need to close because people call them up and say, can I buy from you? We've all been there. We've all been at that situation where we said, I want to do business with this guy. What was the difference between that person and you? Got to learn to be a trusted advisor. Trusted advisors don't do pitches. Trusted advisors ask great questions. Trusted advisor and experts, they have business acumen. Do you understand what's going out there in the business? So I'm going to give you the fine points on how to be a trusted advisor. And I've been talking about this for a long time. And it's hard for me to believe it's taken me this long to think about it and go, there's the problem. I keep trying to teach people how to overcome an objection, how to close, everything everybody else is teaching. In today's world, stop selling. Start being an advisor. Paid a lot more. It's a lot easier job than trying to close and sell and keep track of the pipeline and everything else. This is the job you want. So I can't believe I'm doing this at no charge. All you got to do is sign up. September 25th, 10:30 Central Time in the morning. I'm going to spend 90 minutes with you on becoming a trusted advisor. If you don't click the link below, if you don't join it, you're just a salesperson. See you then.